Hey everyone, I'm Meha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this very simple subtle smoky eye makeup. So let's go. I've already prepped my skin with sunscreen. I'm just going to use this plum face mist for a moisture boost and really pat it in. For concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. I'm only going to use it for the under eye areas because I feel like there's a lot of darkness there. And I'm going to use the Cuffs and Lashes concealer brush to blend it all in. Don't worry, I'm going to mention all the products that I use in the description. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using e.l.f.'s eyeshadow palette in the shade Berry Bad and only the brown shade. I absolutely love this brown shade because it's like a really warm brown with a little bit of red in it. So it looks really good with the smoky eye. You can obviously use like a kajal, a brown kajal, or anything that's brown that's safe to use on the eyes, okay? And with this brush, I'm going to use this eyeshadow very close to the lashes, up and below. I'm going to do this for the outer third of the eyes, both up and below. I just don't want to go all over the eyes because it'll make it look like very small. Now for kajal, I'm going to use this L18 kajal and apply it on the lower waterline as well as on the top near the lashes. You really don't need to be very precise with this because we're going to smudge it all in. So like you can see, I'm not really being very precise with it, but I'm only concentrating it on the outer third of the upper and lower lash line. And I'm going to smudge it in with the same brush. As you can see, it's very simple, literally only 2 steps to do this smoky eye. You can use a little bit more of that brown eyeshadow to smudge this in. If you want to make it more intense, go ahead. But I feel like this is a very wearable kind of a smoky eye and you can't go wrong with this. You won't have like panda eyes, you know. I feel like for a beginner, this tutorial will come really handy, so save it. Yeah, you can also do the smoky eye with different shades other than brown, like maybe like a dark blue or so. I'm going to do the rest of my face, starting with the brows. I'm going to use Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil to just outline and fill in just enough so that it looks really fluffy. And I'm going to curl my lashes with this curler from Miniso. For blush and for lipstick, I'm going to use this Just Herbs tint in the shade Mahogany. I am really loving this tint because this color is such a beautiful color. It's like a very nice mauve pink, warm mauve pink color, really very suitable for everyday wear. As you can see, you can use a lip brush with this because it's more precise and less messy. Yeah, I really love this lip shade. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. For highlighter, I'm going to be using RM Beauty's Golden Hour Dew Stick Highlighter. It's a very nice creamy highlighter. It's this really nice golden shade, very subtle glow. I absolutely love it. I have a review of this. I'll leave the link in the description box. Highly recommend this. Love the product. And for my lashes, I'm going to be using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara, which is so good. It holds the curl for my lashes and gives a really voluminous look and ties this smoky eye look very well together. Yeah, so this is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and definitely recreate this and let me know how it went for you. I just blinged up and this is the final look. Yeah, I really hope you like this very simple, quick eye makeup look. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.